December is here, it's time for Merry Christmas, right? So hi guys, my name is Sanya, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a DIY hack for you on Christmas tree. So you can decorate a Christmas tree on wall. So hit the subscribe button and let's begin.
So first I will take Christmas tree like layers and masking tape. I will cut it and fold it into one another like this and then paste it on wall. Make sure to cut bigger pieces so it gets stick to the wall properly. I am making structure of Christmas tree with this masking tape. Now I am going to paste this Christmas tree layers like this in the original shape and according to this structure. Yes, you have to paste it tightly on the wall. After assembling the Christmas tree, it's time to decorate with these beautiful ornaments. I am taking Christmas ball and a piece of masking tape. Pasting on all ornaments. Ta-da! I am placing Christmas ball on corner and sticking it to the wall. Let's place other ornaments too. If you like this Christmas tree hack, please give thumbs up to this video. Now I am gonna paste this folded masking tape with this at the back and stick to the wall. Oh gosh, I forgot how will Christmas tree glow with these lights. I will just stick lights with masking tape to the wall just like Christmas tree. Let's see how it looks. Just looking like a wow, isn't it? You might be thinking how long it will remain on the wall. It can stay up to 5 to 7 days depending upon the size, thickness of the masking tape.